In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate lot size on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're over here on your chart, I would recommend you actually make it full screen like this. There we go. And then you have your trading bar over here. Now, after you are ready with this, what you're going to have to do is you want to basically click on this over here, which is the position, kind of the position tool. And you want to, of course, create your position. I'm just going to position something really quickly over here. It doesn't matter for this tutorial. And then you want to go ahead and click on this arrow over here, enable the stop loss, take profit, and then the risk down here. And then whenever you do this, as you can see, it's now calculating my lot size over here automatically. So you can go ahead and, of course, adjust this. You can adjust the draft for take profit and for the stop loss over here. And of course, this is going to adjust accordingly, and it's going to basically calculate your lot size just like this. Now, it's completely up to you what you do over here. I just wanted to demonstrate you how this can be done. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.